यार नवा आवाज आया क्या? I mean handle is purse. नहीं क्या? Givenchy.
मैं तो खुद Givenchy purse.
I also know that Givenchy purse. She broke my Minchi Manchi purse.
Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Awkward Tea. I'm Aditi.
Keeping up with I am Stuti.
And I'm Shruti. So today we are going to turn ourselves into the Kardashians and Jenners. And let's get started. I am the eldest one and my name is Chutney Katrati. I am Handle Loner, the model. And I'm Kaigabai Loner.
Okay. So today we're gonna take you for a run. We're gonna do like a quick errand over there and there. So yeah, let's go. So we're gonna show you our outfit. This one my outfit is, guys. And the outfit is gluten free, Wi-Fi free, everything free.
Hi guys, I'm wearing this orange sweatshirt. Orange is my new favorite color, and these biker shorts and these boots. Also, I'm wearing makeup from Kaigabai Cosmetics, so you can see it. It's cool, right?
Go Kaigabai! Go Kaigabai! Go Kaigabai!
She's so talented. Like, oh my god.
These glasses are from HK. This top is oversized from my boyfriend, you know.
And these are some bike shorts and some sport shoes. And my favorite purse. And also I'm wearing Kaigabai Cosmetics lipstick. So like if you want to buy, please do buy my sister's cosmetics.
Oh my god, guys.
Chutney, please stop filming us. Like no, please just.
ये चटनी को पसंद नहीं है
Guys, क्या
चटनी
chutney?
doesn't like pap, so please.
Yeah, I mean, I like to keep my kids away from them because you know we have kids. Kendall won't get this.
Yeah.
She's not a mom. I think you should be a mom. Yeah.
So Kaigabai, can you just stop the fan?
No, why should I do
Please
it?
just go.
You
Like,
want it.
It's good for the environment, Kaigabai. You're young.
Please
You know how to
switch
laundry.
off. Every time the youngest will have. I mean, sometimes I just don't like my sisters. They always treat me so badly. Well, if I'm the youngest, I mean, they shouldn't treat me like that, right? So, just, I don't know. And Handle, what does she think of herself? With Chutney, they just gang up against me and they just make me do work which I don't like. So sometimes I don't like my sisters.
oh my god, you're such a.
Kaigabai was just being a. I don't want to say it, but like she could have just switched off the fan without throwing her unnecessary tantrum, and I didn't get her like. I
Like,
mean,
she can't even switch off the
what
fan.
if she's a fake millionaire, a billionaire?
The other day I told her to just boil me some water and she was throwing a tantrum on me and I'm like, Kaigabai, just
You need to chill.
like I know you own Kaigabai Cosmetics,
what?
but like
Yeah, that's what. Even I own a brand called Too. I mean,
but
are you
you
kidding
didn't
me?
throw unnecessary tantrum.
Tantrum. I knew what. The other day she was like, I am going on a keto diet, but she ate a avocado. I mean, who does that? Like, are you serious? I got a new phone.
It's iPhone 40X, so
Yeah.
what? Even I can afford it.
I'm a billionaire, I can do that too.
Excuse me.
I'm a Victoria's Secret model.
I think Katrasik family is much better than you, nerd.
Oh my god, look who's calling us.
Hi,
Hi,
Cheese
Chloe.
Hi,
Chloe.
Hi, Chole.
Chole.
Hi, Chole and Cheese Pokely. We are hanging out and
Together,
spending some
yeah.
sister
Quality
time.
together.
I think we should make Chips jealous too. Like,
Mom, we've gone shopping, I guess.
I don't think
Yeah,
so we
sure.
should call our mom. Don't
Call your
You know what you did? It's clearly not allowed. I cannot microwave things in my household.
I don't like you calling our mom Chips. And yeah,
But-
she's clearly not.
But she bought a packet of chips.
Oh my god, you're just so
Inside-
over dramatic.
This
Like,
is what-
sometimes, yeah, I'm out of
I think
here.
I am getting
You're
out of
being
here.
such
Stop calling mom chips. And
You just broke Levanchi.
these billionaires, oh my god.
You
broke it. What?
You hit
know,
me with it and you are now breaking it and like
This is
What
such
the
an
hell?
expensive bag. You have no
and you are just
freaking
hit me
idea.
with it.
You
Guys, rise and shine. Kaigabai, can you just stop with it? Like, it's irritating.
Yeah.
Wow, I can sing well.
guys always do this
I
to
really
me.
get it.
I mean, Hendel is such a biatch. She broke my Minchi Manchi purse, also known as Givenchy purse. Are you kidding me? Like, that was my hard-earned money. She broke it. I am so pissed at her right now. Like, let's always do this to me. I don't get it. I just wanted to spend some quality time with my youngest sibling when they're treating me like you broke man.
You are just 10 years older to us.
I am
We are not that young.
You broke my Givenchy bag and
You guys, she broke it. Why are you including?
I didn't break it, Kaigabai. Handle. Chutney was just overacting. I just hit her for the camera and they were really hitting me. Like I can still feel the pain and she just broke her purse herself. So it's not my fault, honey.
Hello mom, yeah, I actually got to work with the modern agency, which is the very best in this town, and like, I'm super excited to be a part of it. Yeah, okay, bye mom, love you, I'll call you back. Hey, hi mom. Oh. Yeah, actually even I got selected for some modeling shoots. So
I was actually participating in that modeling agency.
She's such a bitch, oh my god. I didn't even know she was a part of it.
Mom,
She's
I
hitting me,
talked
what's
to you.
this?
Just told you about this.
I didn't have any clue about it, mom. How can she hit me?
She heard it
Mom,
and
you
now
know
she's
it.
just jealous about it. Like, please just.
Ow, mom, she's hitting. Mom, she's hitting me.
Like, she just wants to sabotage my career. I worked so hard, so freaking hard for this.
Yes.
Done this all by myself, and this is my passion. And she just wants to sabotage my career. Like, and everyone just supporting her. Like, I was so pissed at her at that time. Don't do it. Ow, you're hitting me. Oh my
I mean, I just don't get it why Chutney has to poke her nose in each and every matter. She can just mind her own business.
Stop hitting me! Oh my god, like, what the f*** is hitting me? She was
She started the fight. I mean,
They were just fighting unnecessarily. That's not good for the environment. Okay. And also, they are grown-ups. They are adults. And I think they should just, grow up now at least.
you know what you did?
Wait!
I didn't even know.
Wait.
I didn't know.
Just because I'm not a mom, they just exclude me from everything, and I'm like, first of all, you guys should go gluten-free. Do not keep a microwave inside your house.
That's not even the topic
Yeah.
that's going on.
It's not about affording, it's about the radiation. Wait! You know, the way, you know what she did, it gives negative energy. I was actually participating in a modeling
I
agency
didn't know
and
about
she-
it, dude.
Tiger guy, can you please like I'm the elder sister and she's just copying me. She's just jealous.
That's not
Tiger guy, you're a fake billionaire. What else do you want?
Why?
Why
But
does
the
she want
modeling agency came to approach me. So how am I supposed to know that she has also got selected for it? I mean,
I think you should talk to Chips about it. She was actually listening to what I was talking about. Now
so
she's
not.
just participating.
Oh my god! Like I'm the youngest, so
I
that's
saw
why you
you.
guys bully me all the time.
Tiger guy, where are you going? Oh, you just going. Oh my god. Okay guys, that's it. We tried to make a spoof out of it, but yeah. No,
I hope you guys
am
liked it.
Chutney Katra Se. I am Handle Loner.
And I'm Kaigi Loner.
Tiger Bai.
She's
Tiger Bai Loner.
And I'm Kaigi Loner.
And we are the Katra State and loners from Keeping Up with the Katra State.
I hope you like this episode of Keeping Up with Katra Shades and Loners.
Bye.
Peace out.
नहीं नहीं रुको एक मिनट. Okay. नब्बे बोलते हैं. वो लोग actually biatch बोलते हैं. Peace
Okay,
out,
so
biatches. बंद करना. क्या बोले handle? ये क्या करूँ यार? हमको तो मारना है. जोर से बोलो. Hi mom.
तू डरा रही है. हाँ ठीक है.
कौन मार रहा है? सच्ची में मार रही मेरे को लगा यार. मैं just because I'm not a mom, just because I'm not a mom ऐसा बोल रहा. Just because I don't have a baby ऐसा करके. Like I am the eldest one in this house. Like I am. I think we can यार. I think you.
Tiger भाई, ऐसी है